students, we were discussing about the mean, median and mode. We have discussed. In the last class we have discussed about the mode. I'll be giving one more example related with the mode. Before starting the median, I will be starting with the mode first. Okay. Just for example, suppose if the number of observations are more, if there are more number of observations, suppose only 5 to 6 numbers are there, you can easily find out the mode. Or suppose 10 numbers are there, you can easily find out the mode. But if the numbers are more, like suppose if there are 20 to 30 numbers, then it may get confused for you. So for that, like suppose we have the numbers like, as for example, if I take a series of data, like suppose we have 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, suppose 7, 4, 3, 2, suppose we have 1, again we have suppose 6, 2, 8, 9, 3, 2, 4, 5. Suppose these are the numbers that are given there. We need to find out the mode of this. We need to find out mode of this. What will be the mode? Okay, how will you find out the mode? For finding out the mode, what I will be doing, I will be making a table first. Okay, suppose numbers are there. Numbers, I will be doing a tally. Then I will be finding the number of occurrence. Okay, number of occurrence, or you can also call that as a frequency also. So number, tally and number of occurrence. So just make a group. First of all, you see how many, what are the numbers are present here. We have 1, then we have 2, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, then we have some more numbers like we have 7 are also there, 7 is also there. Okay, and also we have 8 and 9. Let me first do this 1 to 7. Okay, let me first do this 1 to 7. First we have 1, just put a dash here. Then we have 3, put a dash on 3. I'm just dividing it, okay? I'm just making it. Okay, now we have seen, we have gone to 3, then it is having 2, then we have 5, then we have 4, we have 6, then we have 7, we have again 4, we have 3, next we have again 2, we have 1, next we have 6, again we have 2, again we have suppose, just cancel this one because my board is not covering, I am not taking 8 and 9. Then suppose we have 3, then we have suppose 2, next we have 4, and next number we have 5. Let us see whether you have taken all the values or not. Okay, first of all, take the number of occurrence. Here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 3, here it is also 3, here it is 2, here it is 2, and here it is 1. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 12, 14, 16, 17. See, 70 numbers are there or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 70 numbers are there. Okay, now we need to find out the mode. If you compare here, which value is occurring more? Number of occurrence, you see, number of occurrence that is occurring, this 4 is more. That means your mode here will be equals to 2. This is your answer. So this is how we need to find out the mode if your numbers, series of numbers are more. Clear? So this is how we need to do. So mode we have done. Now we are moving to the median. Now let us see what is a median. We discuss now about median. Now what does a median means? Median is a middle value. Okay, median is a middle value. half of the numbers will be above it and half of the numbers will be below it. Like suppose for example, I am giving you like suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, I have taken 7 numbers. So I need to find out the median of this. Total 7 numbers are there, and in these 7 numbers, which number will be the middle number here? Middle number will be this 4. Okay, here 4 is your middle number, and you see 4 above it and 4 below it. Okay, 4 के आगे कितना नंबर है वो एक बार चेक करो. 1, 2, 3. 4 के below कितना नंबर है चेक करो. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means 3 on the right hand side, 3 on the left hand side. That means here your median will be your 4. This is how we need to find out the median. Okay, but one thing to note while calculating the median, your values will be not given serially. I have given it serially, but the values may not be given serially. Okay, if the values are not given serially, so what you need to do, you first of all have to arrange the values in ascending order. Okay, arrange the values in ascending order. That means from the smaller value to the bigger value. You just arrange the values. Suppose for example, I will be doing an example of the book only. Like suppose we have, I am taking this. Okay, I want to find out the median. Suppose we have 5, 4, 3, 2, suppose 9, 8, 7, 6. So I have taken 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. Okay, I am taking suppose one more number, 1. First of all, the values that are given there, you arrange the values in your ascending order. So first will be your 1. This is in ascending order. It will be 1. Next will be your 2. Next will be your 3. Then it is 4. Then it is 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. Okay, now how will you find out the median from here? So if you consider here, total 9 numbers are there, and the median is a middle value. Here if I consider, your middle value will be 5. You see on the right hand side of the 5, how many numbers are there? There are 4. See on the left hand side, how many numbers are there? There are 4. That means here your median will be, median here it will be your 5. This is how we need to find out the median. Now let us move to exercise 3.2. So let us do exercise 3.2 number 1. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. So the question number 1 is given to find out the scores in mathematics test of 15 students is as follows. So let us write the numbers first. 19, 25, 23, 20, we have 9, then we have 20, we have 15, then we have 10, we have 5, we have 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. So these are the numbers that is given there. Okay, these are the numbers that is given there. We need to find out the median and the mode. First of all, let us find out the mode. What is the mode of these numbers? So if I consider the mode, here 19, here is 1, no more 19 is there. Then we have 25, 25 no more is there. We have 23, no more is there. 20 is there. This is 120, this is 120. That means 20, 3, 4. Okay, now if you see the numbers here, the number that is occurring more, here it is 20. That means your answer of mode will be 20. Is it clear about the mode? We are going to the median. Median equals to, what will be the median here? Firstly, you have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Okay, for finding out the median, you arrange the data in ascending order and the middle value will be your median. So let us first arrange the data in ascending order. So the lowest value here is your 5. 5 will come first. Okay, lowest number is your 5. Then next number we have the lowest number, it is 5. Next is 9. Next we have 10. Next we have 12. Next we have 15. We have 16. Then we have 19 is there. Okay, then we have 20. Okay, 20, there are total 4 numbers are there. So next will be again 20, 24 numbers are there. Okay, 24 numbers are there. Then we have next 23 is there. Next we have 24 is there. 24 is there. Next we have 25. 2 25s are there. 225 are there. Okay. So let us see how many numbers we have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers are there. Okay. Here also total 15 numbers are there. So we have taken the numbers serially, that is in the ascending order. That is written in ascending order. Now we need to find out the median. So for finding the median, we have to see which one is the middle value. Middle value, since there are total 15 numbers are there. Okay, 15 numbers are there. There should be 7 numbers on the right hand side, 7 numbers on the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 20, if I take it. Okay, if I take that 20, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the left hand side, on the right hand side you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means here your median will be 20. So this is how we need to find out the median. But there is one more way of finding out the median. Okay, there is one more way of finding out the median. For that, what we have to do, you have to count the numbers. How many numbers are there? Okay, how many numbers are there? Numbers there, it is total number, it is equals to 15. Okay, total numbers is equals to 15. I am corresponding that as equals to n. N represents the total number of values. How many are there? For finding out the median, if it is odd, okay, you can see 15 is an odd number. Then what we have to do, you have to make equal n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n will be your 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 divided by 2. What will you get the answer? The answer will be 16 by 2. That means your median will be equals to 8 term. Okay, here median will be representing your 8th term. This will be equals to 8 term. Now which one is the 8th term from above? You have first case, always you have to arrange in ascending order. You see the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you got the median as 20? When we have done it manually, we have got the answer as 20. In this way also, if you do it, your answer again it will be 20. This is one more way of doing it. Clear? But don't forget to arrange the data in the ascending order. Suppose if your number of values that are given here, if it is even, then what we have to do? No need to take this 1. You have to make it equal n by 2. Okay, n by 2. Suppose if it is 14, then it will be 14 by 2. That means your 7th term will be your median. Clear? So this is how we need to find out the median. So in the next class, we'll be discussing exercise 3.2 from question number 2. Any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you.